It's Taya back here with another video. So today I am going to be sharing a video with you guys. I have partnered up with the company Mimosa and they sent me a package, a PR kit to try out their rice water kit. So if you guys want to see how I use this and just everything about it, how I make it, if you guys are interested in seeing that, then keep watching. If you guys haven't already done so, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, all of that good stuff that I tell you guys to do in the beginning of each and every one of my videos. And let's just go ahead and get started. This is how the bag is looking. And it looks like it's recyclable paper or made with some type of recyclable material. So you definitely can reuse the bag. I like to use these bags for, I mean, you could do a number of things. You could put whatever you want to put in here. Whatever you use recyclable bags for, you can definitely put it. It honestly looks like a wig bag to me. So if you guys are into like wigs and weaves, you could definitely use this bag to store like your units in or whatever. That's probably what I would do with the bag. So anyway, back to what we're doing. So this is their Mimosa Rice Kit, and inside it comes with a little card, and in the card basically it just tells you how to use it. It gives you like the step-by-step directions, and we'll get to that a little later. I want to show you guys what actually is in here. And then of course a rice water bottle, which is cute. This is their rice water hair mister bottle. And I already have one of these, but I don't have this size. So I'm really excited that they sent this over, because who doesn't like a 360 water bottle? It's one of those like 360 that the mist just comes out, and oh my god, it's just so sleek and I love it. I'm really happy to use this. So we have the bottle, and then of course the product. This is their Mimosa Rice Water Kit. So let's go ahead and open up the kit. And it's like a little Ziploc-y type of style. I accidentally ripped that off because I didn't realize that it was like Ziploc type style. So if you guys order this, when you get your kit, you can just pop it open, kind of like a Ziploc bag. So inside the kit comes some rice water packets. And I think I love this because it reminds me of like tea bags. I know you guys are probably like, what is that? But this is basically where the rice is. So it's in the bag. So this is how the bags look. And let me just go ahead and count them. It's like they sent about 10 bags. So 10 bags comes inside these packets. So you get a pretty good amount. So you can use it for quite a bit, because normally you only do rice water treatments. If you are keeping up with them regularly, you would only probably do it once a week anyway. So 10 bags, that's a good little amount. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. And this is how it looks. You just pull it out and it looks exactly like a little tea bag. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go ahead and make it, and then once I'm done making my little treatment, I'll just come back on camera and then we'll go ahead and get started. Okay guys, so I am back, and this is my rice water. This is how it is looking. It is nice and cloudy. It's like really mess free. I love the fact that this is super easy. You just make it, leave it in this little jar, and then when you're ready to use, you just pour it into this and you just start spraying it in your hair. This is pretty much it. Like, this is how it looks once you pour your rice water treatment into the bottle, and then you could just go ahead and use this bottle to start your treatment. And then now that I'm done with this, I'm just gonna go ahead and discard the rice water bag, the tea bag, rinse this out, and then once I'm ready to make another one, it's already ready to go. So I think that is perfect, you guys. That was super easy. Honestly, it doesn't get any more easier than that. There's no mess. You don't have to worry about any rice being all over the place. You don't have to really worry about anything. It was real simple, from the jar to the bottle, straight to your hair, and that's it. I've already, like I said, washed my hair. It has been shampooed, it has been conditioned, and I just left it in these little 4 these little 4 twisties, and I'm gonna go ahead and just start. I'm just taking it in this section first and just concentrating that nozzle into my scalp and just really working it in and just massaging it as the product says to do. And I'm doing that before I untwist my hair, just because I want to try to concentrate it in the scalp as much as possible. So I'm gonna go ahead and untwist the twist and just spray the water or the rice water treatment in the rest of my hair. And you guys know with rice water rinses, you just put it all over your hair. Even though it said to focus it on the scalp, you guys know I like to do my whole hair. So I'm just adding that into my hair. And I'm kind of team no waste right now, so I feel like I just want to go ahead and use the rest of the treatment and just allow that to sit. So I'm just gonna run that through just lightly and then just kind of twist it back up. Just spray the treatment into the hair like I did all of the other 4 sections. Getting it on all the strands. Pretty much just pressing it in there so that the hair can absorb the treatment. And I must say, guys, this is like probably the least messiest treatment that I've I've ever done. You guys have seen me do quite a few, my deep conditionings, my my Brahmi. You guys have seen me do another rice water treatment, and they all tend to be messy. So this is something quick and easy that you can do. Okay, so that looks pretty good. All right, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and lightly twist this up. And then I'm gonna go ahead and just stick this in a plastic bag and let it sit. So yeah, that is it for me, you guys. Would I recommend it? Absolutely. Do I think it is a great product? It is super convenient for those that are on the go, that want the DIY but do not have the time and can't just bother with the DIY treatments. This one was super easy, super convenient. So I would highly recommend this product. And yeah, that's it for me, you guys. Once I'm done, I'm just gonna go ahead and jump in the shower after this has processed for 30 minutes and just continue to style my hair per usual. So I'll talk to you guys in the next one, and until then, you know what to do. Stay blessed.